First class service? What's it like being a millionaire?
I don't know.
You just get to pay for your wheels to be delivered from fucking 16 hours away. Not bad for some scratch and dents. My old wheels are back. It's almost like I just left them there. That one's brand new because probably I bent it. Oh no, it got replaced. Yes, here we go. So those go on the mega cab. Those go on the little baby truck.
No,
and then
no.
Yes.
Those go inside and don't get used.
Those go on my truck. You get those from the clearance aisle at Walmart?
Dollar General.
Dollar General?
Yeah.
Were they on sale?
They're free.
You said what?
Them bitches don't spin because of poverty.
We can make them spin. When a tire goes spinning down the highway and the axle's on the ground because you don't know how to put rear hubs on.
You don't, I do.
No, I do.
You don't have to put fluid in it.
For the rental service, I guess you get a mega cab.
I don't want that.
That's collateral. But oh my God. So what they are, 24x14 with 40s on it, TIS wheels, of course. And also the mega cab got a new wheel and tire setup that I might show you guys a little sneak peek inside this video. But let's get this thing back to the shop. And we got some more things we gotta get done on it. Get back to the shop with this truck. And Doughboy's rental wheel service is pretty freaking good if you ask me. 24x14s, like I said, and it's going on 3 days.
We're gonna test out that branded 24 repolished job.
The brand 24V polished job? Jesus, I can't speak.
Yeah.
I gotta get them polished for you. Yeah. All right. Let's call a local detailer to come and clean them for us.
This motherfucker filthy.
It is a Cummins. It is a fresh frame off with literally maybe 100 miles on it. But we have detailers, so I'm not worried about that. Mega cab looks quite insane. I think I might hold this truck for another video, but I will give you guys a little hint really quick. We have 26s on it now. We finally made it out of the slums, though, but what do you say? And then Dough Baby's truck. He's been arguing with me about putting these wheels on it. But who thinks my old 24s and 35s should go on Doughboys daily? Because he's got something for these gray trucks. He keeps on buying them. That's a great truck. That's a great truck. That was a great truck. And now it's a gray truck. Gray and black truck. But let's get these on your truck. Let's see how they look. Hold this right there. Hold this right there. Yeah, it needs them on there. Oh my God, that actually looks sick. Should we make them burnout tires? And look, they're literally still brand new. Why are they glittery?
The strippers had a party last night.
Enough with the partying. Now I guess we can go take one of the 3 derby trucks out. Well, there's a SEMA truck, a derby truck, and a race truck. Which one should we take out, you guys think? The SEMA truck, let's go. Or the derby truck.
Nah, the race truck's like the old wax.
The race truck? Let's see what the race truck does. First pull. Ooh! I guess we'll take the SEMA truck out for a rip really quick. It's probably out of fuel, but we'll deal with that when we're out on the road.
You find mud at?
I don't know.
It's a pavement fence. It shouldn't be going on for this.
We have been driving this truck for literally the last 3 days now, and I love how it's turning out. You guys see that this thing rolls out down the highway. It still needs an alignment. There's our first puddle it's gonna hit. That's not good. That's not good at all. Should we rock climb it? What hill? Right here?
The rocks right there. The actual rocks.
You wanna go over the rocks?
No, I really don't want.
That's all muddy, actually. Yeah, it would've got stuck. See how it does rock climbing. Dude, we built a freaking mud bogging crawling truck.
It's almost like a lifted truck. It's just, you know, it's not impressive for a lifted truck to do that.
It's not impressive for a lifted truck to do that. We're off-roading it now. Oh.
You got it.
Yeah, it's wet. What are we doing right now, Doughboy? No, this truck is not leading into this.
I mean, kind of already is.
Flexing for the first time.
Flexed out. Probably the mills over there.
So I guess this is kind of our first time flexing out this truck. And yeah, it's a little flex. What do you guys think though? The little baby truck is on Doughboy's wheels and tires for now. And then I'm hoping my powder coat gets done next week for this truck. And then I'll have my 26s and 40s on it. All the overlays will be on it. Then wheel liners and all the lighting. And then we are off to Atlantic City truck meet with it. The rear doesn't flex.
Almost like it's got a sway bar on it.
It's got a sway bar back there, but not a sway bar up there. Jesus, that is flexed out. Don't mind how filthy it is. I have been having fun with it. And that'll probably show you guys where this truck's gonna lead to. But that just looks kind of insane. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think about this truck. Besides it's filthy, it's nice, it runs good, it shifts good, and it rides good. And I cannot be any happier with how this thing turned out. But we're gonna take these off, get it back onto the stock wheels. Then Cole's coming to get it, and I think he's dropping it off at the alignment shop on Wednesday. And then he'll get aligned Wednesday. And then I'm hoping maybe my wheels are all done and powder coated by then. Slap those on, slap the face plates back on it. And then we will be back to frickin' mobbing the blue truck around. But let me know what you guys think I should do with this thing. Should we launch it into that pond? Should we jump it? Should we keep it nice? Keep it nice, launch it in the pond, and jump it. Yes. Back to the shop. We're gonna pull these off and then put the baby wheels back on it. And we have a little mishap here. The stock wheels are back on it. Reason being is it has to get an alignment. It needs the windshield put in it, and Cole needs to pick it up to do some adjustments to the engine because working on it with 40s is probably not the best bet. And with the stock wheels on it, especially bald stock wheels, it'll definitely make a huge difference because now you can actually just reach everything. Like, this is not that big. It's only 4 feet off the ground. Then after this thing's back from the alignment, Cole's in the windshield place, I gotta throw the wheel liners in it, get the rock lights installed, which I'm gonna start doing the rock lights here tomorrow into the wheel liners. Then I'll build a harness that goes onto it. So then when the truck's back, I slap the wheel liners in and plug the harness in. Then we'll have to mount like 30 to 40 other rock lights all underneath the body, which should be pretty fun. So we'll put them up in the bed, in the corners, all around the whole truck. Probably underneath the cradle, I would say. Definitely some down the center. Get the exhaust hung up in the rear because it is just sitting on there right now on a little microfiber, if you guys can see it. I have to find a hanger that I don't have to scratch up my exhaust because it's all freshly Cerakoted, and I don't want to have any problems with that because the exhaust looks very nice and it's actually holding up very well to the heat. Especially since we've been driving this truck for like the last 3-4 days now, and I know it's gotten hot because I drive it like I stole it, and that's probably why it's gotten hot. That is the current state of the blue truck. I have the reservoir mounts designed for the rear ready. Those need to just get cut, welded, and then I'll get them painted or powder coated. The interior is about all back together. We have to get the door handle piece for this. Install the bottom of the steering wheel, and right here for the actual steering shaft itself. Get the pillars out of storage, get the headliner rewrapped. Unfortunately, I do not think it's gonna make it to the interior shop this month before Atlantic City, but that's fine because it can go there whenever. And once the interior is done, I think I'm leaning towards like a diamond stitch seat, and possibly, I say possibly, the door panels will get redone inside diamond stitching. And then steering wheel definitely will be getting replaced because I don't like this steering wheel at all. I know it is an O2 wheel, but it's kind of ate up, if you guys see. So the interior hasn't really been touched. We'll order up new carpet for it, but for now, we'll put this aside there, have it all fully detailed. It will all come clean, but I want this thing literally perfect, and I don't want any like rips inside my seats because that's literally no fun at all. I just moved my blue truck out of the way. That way Cole can just pull in here and back right up to it, but it's leaving me. Only for 3 days though, so hopefully it's only 3 days because I don't want it to be gone all week. I want to be able to drive it. I want to be able to finish it up so I can take it out before I go to Atlantic City. Enough said with that truck. I have my 24x14s and 35s for sale. They are practically brand new. They are just dirty, I will say that. Because they have been sitting around for the last 2 months, and the Mega Cab got new wheels and tires. Just know they have Venoms on them, and they're 26s. And those are 24s, and these definitely look a lot better. Okay, that right there, don't ask how that happened. I don't know what happened. I think the car wash might have did it. But I guess we talk about the Mega Cab for a little bit because she's about to be fast. And I have word on my transmission that is about ready to be shipped from BD Diesel. And then after the trans is broken in, I think it's time the motor gets a little bit more power. I'm thinking like maybe an extra turbo, an extra set of injectors, and maybe a dual CP3 conversion on it, along with head studs and every other supporting mod that goes along with it. Right now, we're gonna clean up these wheels really quick. I think I have a buyer for them already. I know I did just say that they're for sale, but I literally just got a text that someone wants them. So if not, they will still be for sale. And then I am pretty much summed up on the dually swap on this truck. I'm thinking that I am going to do it because now that the bed got dented pretty freaking good, I don't want to fix this bed. And I guess we can get another wheel and tire set up for it because dualies, 26s, and Venoms should be insane. I'm going to try to do some finagling to see if I can get 1550s in the rear on dually wheels. And this thing will be literally stupid wide, as if it's not pretty wide as it is. Going to clean that up. You guys see what's going on with the blue truck. That will hopefully be back midweek. And then we got to do the reveal video on this truck with the wheels. And then when that truck gets back, we'll have another whole full reveal video of that thing being 100% complete. And then I cannot wait to see how it looks with the new wheel and tires, with all the lighting on it, and with the fender liners in it, because fender liners change a truck. I know back when I was like 16 years old, I had a big white 4-link second gen dually, 53s, 42s, 37s, I had everything on it. And it was like a 26-inch lift, and I didn't run the inner fender liner. Now after I've seen how good the trucks look with fender liners, all my vehicles will have fender liners on the side of it. So don't think, oh, he has the blue inner fender wells, he's gonna leave them like that, because I'm not. It needs the fender liners in it, and it literally makes me so mad looking at it every day without them in it. I literally put one of them in it because I had 3 rock lights from FCK laying around just to see how it would look, and it looks a lot better. But with that being said, it's gonna end the video because we have a lot to do and a lot more videos to film. And be sure to like, subscribe, drop a comment, and a dually swap is loading. Let me just get the trans in it, get the motor done, and get the blue truck done. Then we'll do this truck. And then, oh, my other big dually. About that. The paint is insane. See you, bye.